just nothing but another song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, and there's nothing to it. And I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night.
Sa Villases, Pangasinan. If I could say one thing about ABE, it would be ABE has totally changed my future. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at ABE International Business College, Urdaneta. And why did I choose ABE? It is simply because ABE is recognized not only here in the Philippines as one of the best schools, but ABE is recognized to be internationally competitive. And that makes me feel so confident to face the world. When you are from ABE, the assurance of having a good job is 100%. In less than a month after my graduation, I got hired, and I'm now currently working at AB Urdaneta as one of the instructors under the Computer Studies Department. AB has given me the satisfaction, and with the quality education, it makes me feel so confident, and I want to share this to the students with dreams of having a bright future. This has been Dan M. Suyat, proud to be a Benista.